Hey guys! So I just wanted to hop on here quickly. I have no makeup on right now, so I'm going to get ready with you. Just to show you my basic makeup routine and how easy it is and how you can achieve it with some of the Senegence products. So I like to start off with the Make Sense Silk Pore and Wrinkle Minimizer. So you hardly need any, just a tiny bit in your hand, I would say like this. And it works as a makeup primer as well as at night a treatment. So you can use it for either or both. So it just kind of helps like set your makeup and again minimize your pores and wrinkles. So I let that soak in. And then I'm gonna go in with Candlelight Shadow Scents. So I use this under my eyes for my dark circles. So it's crease proof and smudge proof, as well as water resistant. So I just put a bit on with the applicator. And you have a little window because it is cream to powder. So that's what will set it. So then I just blend it in. And you can already see that it makes a difference. So then I like to use, I'm not a big foundation person, I really like the Color Corrective Tinted Moisturizer, and right now I really like the shade in medium. So this will actually, there's two shades, medium and light, and they will color correct to your skin 3 shades lighter or darker depending on what your skin tone is. So I just take like a flat brush and I'll just put like a pump and a half of the product on. And just kind of dot it everywhere. You can use your fingers, you don't need a brush. I just like to use a brush. And I like that it doesn't really feel like anything because it is just like a moisturizer. So you don't feel like you're wearing like too many layers of makeup. So then I'm gonna go in with concealer for my under eyes. So I actually use like a small like foundation tester in Dewy, and I just put a little bit on my hand, and then I use the white color corrective concealer. This you can blend it with your foundation, which is really nice. You can kind of get like a perfect shade, and then I just mix it on my hand like that, and I just kind of go in a V. Because it's brighter than my actual skin tone, it'll just kind of lift the look of my under eyes, which is what I'm going for. And then I use just a like flat top angled Senegence brush to just blend it out. So it just really brightens up your under eye, which I really like. Go. So then I'm gonna go in with blush, and I really like using, actually, I'm gonna do my bronzer first. I like to use the Mocha Java Shadow Sense as well. And I'll just put dots kind of on my cheekbone and blend it in. And you have to kind of work, like not super quickly, but that's why I do it in stages and don't just put the dots everywhere, because it does like dry into a powder form. So this just gives me like a nice bronzed glow. So you kind of want to go in a 3, so that's why I do like up here, here, and then a bit down here. because that just highlights the necessary parts for bronzer. So now I'm going to go in with blush, and I'm going to use the Toasted Rose. And you hardly need any, like this tube will last forever because you just need a dot. And then I just take a fluffy brush and blend it. And then I do really like to bake under my eyes, and I absolutely love the natural powder. So it already comes with like a brush, so you can just, if you feel really oily, you can just kind of dust it anywhere. But I actually like to take it apart, and I dump a bit on the cap of my tinted moisturizer, and then I just use like a regular sponge you can get pretty much anywhere. And then I just pack it under my eye, and this just really helps again to brighten, also set under my eye. So I've gone swimming with this and it won't crease. I have worked like very long days before, like 11 hours, and it doesn't go anywhere. I still look the exact same. I've actually fallen asleep in it, which I realize is not a good thing. You're not supposed to sleep in your makeup, but I have done it. And it still looks the same when I wake up. So I love it. So this is called baking. And then I just kind of let it sit for, I don't know, a few seconds while I go in with my bronzer, which is the same type of thing. So you pat bottom. And again, I just kind of go in a 3. This is nice because you can actually fit it into your purse and just take it with you. It's all like compact into like one thing, so you don't have to carry like your brush, your compact, everything together. So then after I've let that sit, I just go and dust away any like excess. And there you have it. That's just like my very natural, basic, go-to, everyday makeup look. And then you can go ahead and pick your lip scent shade. Thanks for watching, guys.